There.
Now sit back. Sit back. Move back.
Sitting back.
Move back. Move back. Move your feet. You're not stupid. Move your feet.
Okay, move my feet.
Move your feet.
Bro, look. I can't. Mom, they're handcuffed, bro. Dude, they're handcuffed. You stupid son of a bitch, bro. They're handcuffed.
You're gonna get tased.
Dude, I'm already tased, bro.
Get inside the car.
Okay, I'm inside.
Get inside the car.
You already...
Welcome back to the channel UK Cop Hub. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for daily breakdowns that help you understand the law, your rights, and what really happens during high-intensity police encounters. Today's stop escalates fast. Confusion over a move-over violation spirals into a heated confrontation, resistance claims, and an explosive arrest. The body cam footage begins calmly, a typical day on patrol, but in a matter of seconds, the situation escalates beyond anything imaginable. What you're about to see is the moment an officer's composure shatters, replaced by an inexplicable fury. Prepare to witness the bewildering sequence of events that left everyone asking, why did this officer lose all control?
Sergeant Hager with the Monroe County Sheriff's Office. The reason that I pulled you over is for the move over law.
You didn't pull me over, sir.
I'm sorry?
You didn't pull me over.
What are you talking about? I've been behind you with my lights on for a quarter to half a mile. Okay, do you have your driver's license with you?
No, I don't.
Okay. Do you have any form of identification on you?
Right here. Because you didn't pull me over, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
It's weird that you would say that.
That's weird, man.
Yeah, you went to the right lane. You sped up to 55 miles an hour. You passed by patrol,
I didn't
two
do
patrol
anything
cars.
that you're saying, sir.
Okay, I have it all on camera. That's fine. Do you have your registration insurance with you?
You don't, sir. No.
You don't have your registration insurance?
You didn't pull me over.
Okay, this is a lawful traffic stop. You are not free to leave.
You not pulling me over.
Yeah, this
sir.
is a traffic stop. I have lights on my car. I'm a police officer.
Stop. No,
okay.
It's not.
Okay. All right. Do you have your registration insurance with you? Hello?
Could you just clear me?
Clear you what?
Can you just check my license? I gave you my license.
I know. I'm asking you. No, that's not.
Are you on a traffic stop?
No, that's not right, sir. This is a traffic stop. You have to give me your registration
because
insurance.
you didn't pull me over.
Yeah, I did.
No, you didn't.
I turned my lights on. That's a traffic stop.
No, you didn't, sir. You were passing me on the other side of the road.
Okay. I need your registration and insurance. If you refuse to give it to me, I'm going to take that as a resisting. I'm going to take you out of the car and put you in handcuffs. Okay?
That doesn't matter.
You have a lawful reason. I'm giving you a lawful order to give me your paperwork. And if you don't give it to me, I'm taking you out of the car.
Give me my license back, yeah.
Not going to happen. Okay. Give me your registration and insurance or else I'm going to take you out of the car.
That doesn't make any sense.
All right, I'm going to give you one more opportunity to give me your information. Okay. If you don't want to give it to me, then we'll do what we need to do.
If I do what you need to do?
Yes, sir. I'm going to take you out of the vehicle. I'm going to remove you. I'm going to forcefully remove you from the vehicle. If you don't give me your paperwork, your registration and insurance.
Can you put out the cigarette, please?
How about this? Step out of the car. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
What's this about?
Don't turn.
No, I didn't turn.
Don't turn. Don't turn. Don't turn. Don't turn.
What this is about. Why am I being put in handcuffs?
Because you are. Okay?
In the handcuffs because you're refusing to.
I didn't refuse anything.
With simple orders.
Complied, pulled over, and everything.
Okay.
Right?
I told you not to turn around.
Okay, and the entire time you told me I didn't pull you over. I had my lights on.
It doesn't matter what I say, dude.
You're right.
You can literally do whatever you want to.
Okay.
Exactly.
Go ahead and do whatever you guys have got to do. Do it, bro.
That's why you're handcuffed.
Don't waste my time.
Nobody's wasting your time.
You are wasting my time. You're holding on my.
You're wasting our time.
Didn't waste anybody's time.
All right.
And this is where everything takes a sharp turn. The driver continues, insisting he wasn't pulled over, even after the officer clearly states lights were activated, which legally constitutes a traffic stop under standard state law. At this point, the officer has probable cause to demand license, registration, and insurance. The refusal becomes the breaking point. Viewers, what do you think? Is this a misunderstanding or deliberate because from here, things escalate fast.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Where?
Back here to the patrol car.
Can I have my license?
No, sir. Okay. Oh, it's signal 1. Holy moly.
Yeah.
Smell that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Smell that? Yeah. Okay. Have a good one. Thank you.
Sir, do you have any medical disabilities or anything that will cause you to act the way that you're acting?
No, sir.
Okay.
The way you're acting? No, sir. Okay. Again, like, I was cordial. I pulled over when I saw that there was a cop behind me.
Okay.
But f*** you guys, because I literally not doing anything wrong.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Just put him in the back of your car for a minute.
Where am I going? Don't push me, sir. Don't push me.
Who the hell are you?
What's your problem, man? Get up. Stop. Stop.
What are you doing, dude? What the f are you doing, dude? What the hell's your
problem? Do not resist.
I'm not resisting, dude. What the f is your...
Do not lean like that to the sergeant.
There's no need to try to run away. I don't know why you would do that.
Me like this?
Do not lean at the sergeant like that.
No, shut the f up,
okay?
Why the f did you just do that?
Do not lean at the sergeant like that.
Ass,
we'll do it. Come on.
No.
Come on.
Right now?
Come on.
Okay, you gotta get the
Step
fuck
up.
off me.
No, step up. We're gonna go inside the car.
Right the fuck.
Go inside the car.
Hey,
stand up.
Stand up. Stop resisting and stand up.
Stop doing this, bro.
Stand up.
Stop the... I'm not standing shit, bro. You just squashed my
give you the opportunity to get inside the car.
No,
are you gonna stand
up? Shut the f up. Give me my license.
Are you gonna stand
up? Bitch, you better get the f off of it, dude.
I'm not going nowhere.
Okay, then. Shut the f up and
are you gonna stand up?
What was that? Bitch?
Are you gonna stand up?
Bitch, you better get the f
How about this?
I'm gonna beat you,
sir.
Ass
are you willing to do field sobriety exercises?
Shut the f up.
Are you willing to do field sobriety exercises?
Up, dude.
Third time. Are you willing to do... Okay. All right, let's go. 10-15, signal 1.
Dude,
and resisting.
Shut the f up. I didn't do anything right now.
Hold on. Let me check. Okay, all right, we're good. Stop. Stop. Stop.
Am I resisting?
Yes, you are.
Stop resisting.
Oh, I'm not resisting.
Stop resisting.
Oh, okay, hold on. Okay, hold on.
Well, I got you something.
Is he on like drugs?
I didn't do anything.
I don't know.
Right here.
Okay,
I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything.
I got you.
Can you clear me? Can you check my license? Give me my license, bitch.
Okay. I'm gonna try to get him up and give him.
Yeah.
All right.
Ow.
You're gonna sit down.
Sir, you need to comply and get inside the car, okay?
Are you gonna sit down or what? Come on. Lean on your side.
You guys, dude, you didn't pull me over.
Okay.
You guys didn't pull me over, then f you.
Okay.
I'm blind.
1, 2, 3. Stop. Stop. Why are you doing this?
Ow, dude.
Why would you do that?
Would you do that for me, dude?
Why are
you doing this?
Trying to help me, dude?
We're trying to put you inside the car.
What's going on here,
He's
dude?
We're telling you to get inside the car.
Oh my
He's trying to stage
just leave it out.
Oh, dude.
Yeah.
Oh my God, what the f are you guys doing to me, dude?
He's
trying to tell you to get inside the car.
Over right there.
Okay. Get inside the car.
No, you get inside the car.
At this point, you're going to...
You, dude.
What are you doing?
Get the f out of my...
Just hold him down. Just hold him down.
Oh, okay. Oh, dude, you guys are resisting?
Stop.
You guys are resisting?
Stop. Just stop.
Oh my God.
7221,
Dude, you actually hurt me, dude.
Stop resisting.
We have one active resisting. Where's this third unit?
My arm handcuffed.
Stop.
I'm handcuffed. How am I resisting?
I got you, sir.
I'm handcuffed.
Let him go. I got you.
I'm handcuffed, bro. I'm not resisting. My hands are tied, bro.
7114.
Okay.
1610.
I'm totally
Stop.
resisting right now.
Stop.
Dude. Get the f
Stop.
off me, dude. Get the f off
Stop.
me right. Hold up. Hold up.
Stop
Get that
resisting.
bro.
Just stop.
You guys stop. You guys
We're
can
trying to
stop
give
right
you the
now?
opportunity to get inside the
You
car.
guys give me a break.
We have him cuffed. He's just
Stop.
trying to put him in the car. He's
Bro.
trying to run away.
You guys, what do you need? Nobody hurts me. I got a real bad back.
Go in your car.
Nobody hurts me. I got a real bad back, dude. Hurry up. Hurry up.
Okay.
Hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up, dude. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thanks.
You ready?
Yeah. Just give me the jelly. Here. Right here. Okay.
Watch your head.
Oh, watch my head.
He's gonna swing it at the door. Watch his head.
Watch my head. Hold
Let's
up.
pull him this way.
Hey,
Pull him this way, Tommy.
Just lift him up, bro.
That's what we were trying to do. Ready? Go.
Watch my head, dude. What the f*** is going on here, dude?
Get in the car.
You're in custody.
Hobble himself. Hobble himself.
Get in the car.
Hobble himself.
You already are.
Aren't you guys like
Hold his leg, Sergeant.
manhandling me? What do you mean?
Ready?
Get in the car. I don't have any room for my mother mobility, bro. I'm floating. Get in the damn gun. Oh wow. Oh, okay. There you go. Let me get that first aid kit, bitch. Okay. Thanks. This shit ain't gonna close. This shit ain't gonna. You gonna break my head?
Close it on that side.
Oh, okay, okay, yeah, that's good. That's really great, bro. Thank you. Just close the door on my head, bro. Just do it. Just do it.
Nah, just close it.
Bro, bitch, just shut the up and close that bitch. Close that mother door right on my head and break my face open. Go for it, dude. Thank you. That's good enough right there. Ouch. Okay.
Don't hurt your head, bro.
Okay, don't shoot me, but okay.
Lift up.
Yeah, okay, I am. Thank you. Okay. That's good, right? Oh, wow, wow. That's not cool. Dude, now you.
Bro, lift up.
Sorry,
Sit
dude.
up,
No,
man.
I
Just
don't
sit up.
lift, dude.
Sit up.
I do not. I don't do that, dude. You guys get me in the car and take me to... What's your point, bro? Why are you trying to hurt me?
Not.
No, shut the up, bro.
Sit inside the car. There you go. Sit inside the car.
Right now.
Sit inside the car.
Fucking ass, bro. You better shut the up. Why are there so many Why are you doing
7 to
this?
17 for 5.
Okay, why are you
Okay,
doing
fine.
this? Why? Why are you doing this? Dude, why are you doing this to me, dude?
If we can get the door
Shut
shut.
the up and tell me why
We gotta get
you
that
are
way.
doing this. Right now.
Bro, lift your leg.
Dude, you shut the up. I don't give
Just
a
sit
fuck
down.
what you-
Sit regular. Put your feet down to
I'm
the floor.
sitting down. You
I know.
guys
Put your
me
feet
in
down.
here.
Sit
No.
up right like normal.
No.
Hey.
Dude. Bro, you better shut the up. Why are there so many
Hey,
Tell me what the
you're gonna get tased. You put your feet forward. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. Put your feet forward.
Dude, my feet are forward.
Put your
right
feet
now.
forward and you're gonna get tased.
They're right forward.
Stop resisting. Sit up. Pull
I
it.
haven't resisted
Stop resisting.
at all, dude.
Okay?
Shut the
Pull your
You're
body
my
back.
resistance.
Pull your body back. Pull your body back.
There.
Now sit back. Sit back. Move back.
sitting back.
Move back. Move back.
Bro,
Move your feet.
ain't no-
You're not stupid.
Look,
Move your
okay,
feet.
move my feet.
Move your feet.
Bro, look. I can't. Mom, it's f***ing handcuffed, bro. Dude, they're f***ing handcuffed. You stupid son of a bitch, bro. They're handcuffed.
You're gonna get tased.
Dude, I'm already tased, bro.
Get inside the car.
Okay, I'm inside.
Get inside the car.
You already put me inside the
Get
car.
inside the car.
Why do I have to do this?
Get inside the car.
Why?
Sir, get inside the car.
Last chance or you're gonna get
I
tased.
was already tased.
Get inside the car.
was
Last
already-
chance or you're gonna get tased.
Look, I can't move with you guys.
Get
on me.
inside the car.
I can't move with you guys on me, bro.
Lift yourself up.
Stop resisting. Get in the car. We're gonna tase you.
Next one is gonna be a taser. You
I don't
move.
know what this is about, bro.
Next one's gonna be a taser.
I don't know what this is about, bro.
Next one's gonna be a taser. Sit back.
I'm right there.
Keep moving back.
Boom.
Copy
Sorry,
Wilder,
guys.
1616.
Shut the
Bro, I don't know what just happened. I'm like, sir, the reason I
Bro,
pulled you over is for Faye to move
that
over.
went
He's
from
like,
0
he's
to
like, you didn't
100
pull me
like
over. I'm
that.
like, yes, sir. I've been behind you for a
11:25
quarter mile with my license.
It was 0 to 100 like that. Look.
11:25. That's not code.
Make sure you hit him.
He goes to put it in drive, and I'm like, let me see your registration insurance. And he's like, so drunk and high. I don't
Make
know
sure
what
you
it's-
put battery.
Yeah, battery LE on me
'Cause he
too.
grabbed
me too.
me.
Look at this, I'm bleeding.
Yeah, make sure you put battery on me.
All right, so if you
I'll
want to just go
transport
ahead
him.
and get going,
Yeah.
I'll start. I'll have the PC done by the time you get there.
Okay.
I mean, he's not going to do BTO, so we'll just put it as a refusal and not
Yeah.
even try. because
Call it a
he's
day.
combative.
Yeah, he's combative. You gonna take that from me?
I got you.
Okay.
7104. Your subject is a valid Class A CDL. A clear.
Thank you.
What's wrong with this dude, bro?
Bro, I don't know. That's high and drunk.
Huh?
Oh, okay.
All right, step back though and take
Yeah,
your
just
hands
stay
out
back.
of your pocket.
It's just an active investigation. Even if it's your car, I understand that, but you can't come over here.
You the owner of this car?
Yeah,
A
I'm
lot.
the owner of this car. What is he getting arrested for?
DUI for one. Resisting, battery on a law enforcement, you name it.
He resisted you guys?
Yes, he did.
Can I talk to him?
No.
No.
But he's saying it's his car.
He's saying it's his car.
It's my car.
Oh, it's gonna be told.
Yeah.
It's gonna be.
Yeah, it has
Are
to
you
be. It's a
kidding
felony.
me?
Yeah, it's a felony, so he has to be told.
Yo, but
So-
I need to get my debit card from
Where's
him.
his?
And you don't look. You've been drinking to look like too.
I'm not driving the car, so it
So?
doesn't matter to me.
Okay.
Excuse my language.
Sorry,
I'm
where's
sorry.
his license at?
But
Right here.
I just gotta get my debit card from him. If you could get that from him,
Bro, he's been fighting us. I'm not going over there.
can I like?
No, I told you that already.
Your
I-
debit card is I'll give you your debit card as long as you can
Okay.
give me your ID and prove it's you. That's
Yeah,
no problem.
yeah. I got my ID right here, sir. Well, I'm not getting my card towed. I can tell you that. You guys aren't
You got
towing
somebody
my
that
card.
can. We're
I
going
can get
to.
my
We're going
mom.
to talk. You're not going to tell us what we're not going to do. 'Cause then that's
No,
going to
I'm
go a
gonna-
different
I'm
way.
not- I can have my mom come
Okay,
here.
that sounds more better than
Yeah.
what we're not going to do.
Hello. Hello.
Step up.
Come on.
How's it going, mate? Thank you, sir.
Sit down there.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
Can you please assist me, sir?
Ready? Come on.
Thank you, sir.
Come on.
Help me out, sir. I don't know what's going on here. Oh, thank you so much. Happy Thanksgiving. I can walk up from here, guys.
No,
I'm good.
that option's out for you.
Okay.
Listen, move forward so I can take those handcuffs off, okay?
Yes, sir.
You know?
That's about as far as you're gonna get it, bitch.
Thanks, sir.
Go ahead and take one off here.
Hold on, I can go up a little bit more.
Oh my God! Come on, man.
That's good.
Don't
That's
start.
Good right there, guys.
You good? Yeah, just
There you go. Go ahead.
just take them off. We got
Don't
them.
break one of them.
We got them.
One of them's good, but thank you. Hey. Oh my God. Hey, dude, come on now, bro. Dude, just take it fucking off, bro. Please stop fucking with me, dude.
Nobody's
Oh
messing
my-
with you, man. You're the one tensing up. Nobody's messing with you.
Dude, that
Stop
I'm
tensing
not
up.
tensing up
Yes,
at
you are.
all, bro. Not tensing up at all, dude. Had a good day. I had a good day. How about you guys? Thank you.
Great day.
He's good. He's in.
Well, just take it off, dude. Come on, this is your job, bitch. Like, fucking take it off, bro. Come on, dude. Like, this protocol, bro. You can't do that shit.
Before we wrap up, let's break down what legally unfolded here. The moment the officer activated his emergency lights, the interaction became a lawful traffic stop under standard move-over statutes, giving him the authority to request ID, registration, and insurance. Refusal escalated it into lawful grounds for detainment under resisting without violence provisions. The physical struggle, the repeated commands, and the accusations of resisting while handcuffed all reflect a high-stress enforcement situation but also raise questions about procedure, communication, and use of force proportionality. So what's your take? Did the officers follow policy? Did the driver escalate? If you found this scene as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button, drop your opinion in the comments, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping cop cam breakdowns here on UK Cop Hub.